everyone, for today's video we will talk about my 10 kitchen tools that I found at home. Now first, I have three kinds of ladle. First is the color purple, which has a long handle and a flat ladle. We used it on mixing dishes when cooking. And the second kind of ladle, which is the white one in the middle, which has a short handle and a deep shaped kind of ladle. We used it to serve a soup like tinola, fish tinola, chicken tinola. And the third kind of ladle, which is the small kind of ladle. We used it to serve a rice when we are eating. Okay, now let us my second kind of kitchen tools are the cutting board. We used it to prepare dishes. We used it to cutting a meat, vegetables, and some ingredients for cooking. Second is we have a small emery board, which is we used it to sharpen our knives, like small knives, since it is a small emery board. Okay, the fourth is we have a small knife. We used it for cutting some ingredients or small ingredients when cooking, like a garlic, onions, and another ingredients for cooking. Next one is we have a bowl. We used it for preparing the ingredients or preparing a food and serving food. In preparing food, we used it to put some ingredients inside of that, like garlic, onions, and other ingredients. And when we are cooking, we used to put some vegetables, and when eating, we used it for preparing the soup, since it is a bowl. Okay, the next one is we have a strainer. We used it to strain some juicy like ingredients for cooking a food, or some cooking or like a lemon, which is we used to strain the seeds of the lemon, so that the only juice to put on the food and mixed it. Now next is we have a picker. We used it to when we cooking fried food, like fried fish, fried chicken, hot dogs, and some other fried dish. Okay, the next one is we have a flipper. We used it when we cooking again a fried food. We used it to flip the fish when we fried, to cook the other side of the fish. And that's all. And that's all my kitchen tools that I found here at my home. Thank you.